Page 18, Good King Wenceslas. This is a Christmas piece. Nothing new, we're just using stuff we've learned, and so I'll just go through the routine for learning a piece of music that I use, and let's see what happens. I look it over, I see it's 4 lines long, treble and bass clef used. 4/4 time signature, I see a bunch of quarter notes, half notes, and a whole note at the end, which we need to talk about. And the hands are playing at the same time, so I'm going to take each hand one hand at a time first. Right hand, your 4th finger here on F, that puts your hand here. Actually, we're going to be in middle C position, but I'm going to pretend we don't know that yet. So I'm just here, and I'm just playing the notes. Here. 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay. That's pretty much it for the right hand. That last measure down the whole notes, it's C and an F together. Okay. Left hand, well, it comes in on the 3rd measure, and they want a B flat, a 2, a 4. Let's go with the G. I want to use a white key to figure out where the hand goes, because really the hand position would be here, and I'm just going to change the finger where it needs to go for the black key when I need it. So the 2nd finger's on B, so I'm going to use 2nd finger on the B flat, but I'm going to move the finger there when I need it. And you need to be able to feel where it is, so you don't have to look at the keyboard to see where it is eventually. So it's a B flat. 1, 2, 3, and then an A and a C together. 2, 3, 4. Well, so much for that. Let's go down to the 3rd line. You're here. B. To what you were doing. The last measure at the bottom, it's an F and an A together. Okay, then we put the hands together. Well, first 2 measures of each line, it's only one hand. So let's go to the 3rd measure where they're playing together. You're here, and then here, and then here. That's the 1st line. And the 2nd line, and the 3rd line, 4th line. 4th line, you're not playing until the last measure, and that's that chord. Just got all 4 of these down at the same time. Try and get them down at the same time. I don't, maybe you can. So once I have an idea what the notes and the rhythms are, I go through it and I work out any hesitations. I play this without looking at the keyboard. I'm fine with it. Then I'll think about the articulation. Here, you're lifting up. They give you every 2 measures you're lifting up. Lift up. Lift up. Like taking a breath here. That's pretty much it for articulation. You're just lifting up. And the left hand too. Connect this left hand as best you can. And 3rd line, they give you the slur over the left hand. So in the 3rd line, when I go from the 2nd to the 3rd measure here, I'm lifting up. So there's silence. Go on. At the end of each line, I'm lifting up, of course. In the last line, on the 2nd measure here, before I go to the next measure, I'm going to lift up. So there's just a speck of silence. It's like taking a breath. Just lift up. Then the dynamics, F forte. Now it applies to the melody, which here is the right hand, whatever you think loud is. This left hand's in the background, soft. The 2nd line, we're going to echo that. Soft now. This makes the left hand super soft. 3rd line, now it's mezzo forte. That's the melody. It doesn't matter where the melody is, just the melody. It's sort of loud. Here, and the 3rd measure, now the left hand's got to go. So the left hand, the 2nd measure, you're sort of loud. 3rd measure, you're soft. Yeah. Line, you're starting sort of loud, and you have the hairpins. You're going to go up to loud and then back down. You can actually come all the way down to sort of soft. The loud looks like it's the half note. That's in the middle of the hairpins. Here here. And then the next measure, the C, that's also loud. And then come down. Yeah. And that last measure, everything's kind of soft. Technically it's not, but for us it is. Then the speed. Allegro, moderato. See, they mix them. You have allegros fast, moderatos in the middle. Now they're combining them. It means moderately fast. It's sort of fast. Fast would be, that's fast. Moderate would be, that's sort of moderate. But somewhere in between them. I call it the fun speed. When I see anything with allegro moderato or moderately fast, I think fun. I think, all right, let's see what we can do here. No. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Exaggerate them if you have to. We want to feel them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 to feel these natural accents. Please don't copy me. You don't have to take it that speed. You can adjust things as you feel it. You play it. You feel the music. When you feel you're ready, then come back to the video and let's play it together very slowly. Just to check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not doing the louds and softs. We'll play it all about the same. We're not performing it. We're just checking notes and rhythms. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 4.